Hey guys, welcome to my Myrtle Beach, South Carolina vacation at Ocean Lakes. So I had a lot of clients and friends ask me about where we were staying, and I tried to explain it to them. And I was like, you know what? It's hard to explain because it's Ocean Lakes Family Campground, but it's not just a campground. So I was like, let me take some video clips and just share this gorgeous place with everyone. So I hope you enjoy the video. So you're going to pull into Ocean Lakes and you will already have your pass, which will hang in your rearview mirror. And this guy over here on the left will wave you in. And you have to have your parking pass. You'll get that mailed to you before you even show up. So it's really busy right here because everybody's moving in and moving out and getting settled in and just kind of all over the place. But it's not always quite this busy for traffic. Most people just like scoot around on their golf carts, and it's just a really relaxed family environment. I love it. So you're gonna be greeted by like rows and rows and rows of beach houses. You're also gonna have an area for your campers and stuff, and I will show you that in a bit. Some of the houses, you're gonna have some really nice like ponds, right there. You have your house right on the pond. Some of them you're surrounded by other houses, but it's beautiful everywhere, so really can't go wrong. And they have houses every size you could possibly need. So I'm showing you some of the little ponds here. You are welcome to fish at those ponds, which is really fun. And now I'm just gonna like show you some of the houses. So like I said earlier, like I tell everybody it's Ocean Lakes Family Campground. Like, oh, you go camping. I'm like, well, you can, but there's also houses too that you can rent. So Ocean Lakes, you can get on their website and rent directly through them. Some of the houses have numbers on them, or you can contact the hosts and rent directly through the hosts, or some of them rent only through like Vrbo. We rented our house through Vrbo and it was a wonderful experience, and our host was fantastic. They were great to communicate with. They always responded very quickly. So we had a great experience booking through Vrbo, and they are affiliated with Ocean Lakes, so they contacted Ocean Lakes to let them know we'd be coming. Ocean Lakes sent us our little packet in the mail that had our parking pass in it, and it also had like a map of the facility, so it was very cool. But we've been here before. So right here is their general store on your right, and then right next to it is like a little I want to say cafe. It's not really a cafe. It's kind of like a walk-up window to get food. And there you saw the little laundromat, the soaps and suds. But back to like the little cafe thing. They serve breakfast, which was really good. I had a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit one morning. It was so good. And then they have like burgers and hot dogs and stuff in the evening. And then there's also like a little place there to get ice cream. So it's very nice, and the store has a ton of food, a ton of supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, anything like that you need, boogie boards, stuff for the beach. They have like a little gift shop area with little trinkets and souvenirs, necklaces, sweatshirts, hats, sunscreen, literally everything you need. And then right here is their like pool or water park. They have two really great slides, a huge lazy river, a full Olympic sized swimming pool, an entire like kiddie splash pad area with small slides for the smaller children, and like dump buckets that dump the water. I know my kiddo really liked that, and just all kinds of stuff in there. They're actually getting ready to make some improvements and add more things. So there'll be another slide that'll go indoor outdoor type of situation. Very cool. Here you see where all the like RVs and campers and stuff are parked. And then right here is access straight to the beach all the way down this strip. And on the left right there is a little like morning coffee spot, which we got coffee from, and the biggest cinnamon roll I've ever seen in my life. It was so good. But yeah, so you've got access straight onto the beach. You just drive your golf cart up, park it, and you walk straight onto the beach there. I don't think I got any beach footage for you guys, but. And then over here, this is connected right next to the water park. This is the recreation center, and you've got a little family fun center, which is a huge, oh, I'm lost for words here. arcade. It's an arcade. I don't know why I couldn't think of arcade. And then the recreation center, which we went and saw a like hula fire show there one evening. It was very cool. And then right here is one of the coolest houses in Ocean Lakes. It is, I call it the Cinderella Castle. I forget what they call it, but it is so cool. And then I'm going to show you another house that I really like too. But there's some fun little finds like this here and there. Look at this thing. You can rent this. How crazy is that? It's got like a horse and carriage sitting in the front yard. It's so cool. You can actually sit in the carriage and get your picture taken. This house is so neat. They have a bed out on one of the balconies. I just thought this was so cool. One of the biggest houses I've ever seen in person, right here on the Ocean Lakes property. And you see people scooting around there on their scooters and stuff. There's scooters, you can ride bikes. It's so family friendly, and you know, you can't get in and out of the facility without your little parking pass there. So not just anybody can come in here. They have to be renting a house here at the property. So it's really nice. So one of my favorite things to do is just to drive around and look at all the houses and stuff. So that's what we're doing here. We're just driving around. We had a lot of rainy days, so it was fun just to get in the golf cart and go and try to get lost down the streets and find our way back. But yeah, all the houses are so different. You've got anything from like a single wide trailer to like a 3-story huge house. You're going to be able to find something here to fit any size family and budget. So a lot of fun. I'm just going to let you look at some of the other houses here. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video here. If you like it, let me know. I have a sort of like a few clips of a vacation I took in Mexico. If you guys want to see that, I haven't even actually looked at all the footage yet for that. So, but if you guys like this kind of video, let me know, and I'll try to edit and post my Mexico trip. That was a couple of years ago. Okay, so this is the Barbie house. How cool is this? I saw this, I was like, okay, I have to get a little clip of this. That is so fun. And then there's a Barbie shoe in the front. Look at that. This is so cute. You can rent this house if you want. Very cute. Loved it. And there's cute little like houses like that here and there. So you just got to drive around, look at them. It's a lot of fun. And then right here is the nature center. It'll be right on the right there, which was so much fun. We got to go in there and see their turtles. We did a paint with the turtle one day. The turtle's name was Yoda. He was so cute. They did a little educational thing for the kiddos. And then they had a little meet and greet with their snakes that they have, Oreo and Rake. And they were so cool. And my daughter got to pet the snakes, which she was so excited about. And here is their Pause and Play, their little dog park, completely fenced in. It's quite a large area. Little agility things for the dogs to do. There's balls in there for them to play with, waste stations to pick up their waste and all of that. So, I mean, it's really, really handy. And then right back here is some additional parking for the pool and that area, because it does get very crowded in the front. So they have an additional little parking area back here where you can just park your golf cart and walk right into the gate. Which makes it so handy. So right there is your little access into the water park. Very nice. We did park back there a couple of times. Like I said, it's hard to find parking in the front. The water park gets pretty busy, but it never feels overly crowded. It seems to be spaced out really nicely. So we enjoy going there a lot. And then this is going back out. And then I'm going to show you inside the Pause and Play, the little dog park. It was so nice to be able to bring our dogs, and this place is very pet friendly. It's very family oriented, so it's good for everyone. So there's the dogs just running around, having a good time, exploring. It was very early in the morning here, so we were the only ones in there, but they were fairly busy throughout the day. I wouldn't say overly crowded, but definitely fairly busy. So lots and lots of people bring their pups on vacation with them. And it was so fun to get to see all the different dogs. And you know me, I want to pet all the dogs. So there's a little water station for them to get some water. And then I'm going to zoom in here, but over on the far side, you leave like the little dog park area, and then there's a spot where you can go give your dog a bath, which is so handy because the beach is so messy and the sand gets everywhere. But you pay, and then you're able to like hose your dog off and scrub them up, and right there it is. Look at that. That is so cool. So they pretty much thought of everything. And then this is what happens every single night. There is like a golf cart parade. Everybody just like gets on their golf cart and they cruise the strip, and they just make a big circle up and down. Everybody high fives everybody. There's music playing. It's a really good time, and everybody's so friendly. And we had such an amazing vacation. I love it here. I would highly recommend this to anybody going to South Carolina, going to Myrtle Beach. This is a fantastic place to stay. There's another place like it. I think it's called Lakewood, just right up the road from Ocean Lakes. But Ocean Lakes, honestly, I think has everything you need, from the water park to the perfect beach access. They've got a place for kids to go play basketball. There's like a little basketball court. There's volleyball courts. All kinds of things just like right there, right next to the beach. And then you've got your grocery store. So honestly, you don't even have to leave here if you don't want to, but you're also close enough to all of the downtown Myrtle Beach amenities, like Broadway on the beach, the boardwalk, all that fun shopping stuff that you want to go do too. Everything's about 20 minutes away, and the drive isn't bad. So yeah, we love staying here. Highly recommend it. I hope you guys liked the video, and thanks so much for watching.